What are HP Envy Series laptops? HP Envy Series laptops are a family of laptops from HP that combine style, performance, and innovation. They are designed for users who want a premium and powerful laptop that can handle various tasks, such as work, entertainment, gaming, and creativity. HP Envy Series laptops have some of the following features: sleek and elegant design, with a metal chassis, a backlit keyboard, and a thin and light profile. High-quality display, with options for Full HD, 4K, OLED, or touchscreen, and features like IMAX Enhanced, HDR, and edge-to-edge glass. Powerful performance, with the latest Intel or AMD processors, up to 32 GB of RAM, and up to 2 TB of SSD storage. Long battery life, with up to 15 hours of usage, and features like fast charge and adaptive battery optimizer. Enhanced audio, with Bang & Olufsen speakers, dual microphones, and noise cancellation. Advanced security, with features like a fingerprint reader, a webcam kill switch, and a privacy screen. Versatile modes, with options for convertible or detachable models that can switch between laptop, tablet, tent, or stand modes. Innovative features, such as a 360-degree hinge, a touchpad with gesture support, a digital pen, and a wireless charging mat. HP Envy Series laptops are available in different models and sizes, such as the HP Envy X360 14, the HP Envy X360 15, 17, and more. You can find more information and details about them from these sources. Learn more. 1. HP registered Envy laptop. https://www.hp.com/us-hyphen/n/shop/mlp/laptop/envy-344503-1. 2. HP Envy laptops and 2-in-1 PCs HP registered official site. https://www.hp.com/us-n/laptops-n-2-in-1s/envy.html. 3. Shop latest HP Envy laptop models and deals HP registered store. https://www.hp.com/us-n/shop/bws/laptop/brand=envy. 4. HP registered Envy laptops, a complete review HP registered tech takes. https://www.hp.com/us-n/shop/tech-take/laptops-a-complete-review.